Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Rob. So I know I've been missing for a little bit. That's because I just spent the last 7 days in Puerto Rico. Fun trip, guys. So here's the thing. No sunglasses on because this is a serious video, all right? So first off, the good news. As you probably noticed, the lighting is looking good, guys. I got some new LED lighting in here. Looks phenomenal. My videos that I make in here are going to look so much nicer now, so much better lit. Definitely love the upgrade. Now for the bad news, this thing's broken. So as you can see, the Tacoma, it had an unfortunate accident. Well, let's talk about what happened first before we get into the details of it. So first off, we left to Puerto Rico, last Tuesday. Wife actually has been driving the Tacoma because the Forester, it's been throwing a check engine light. I'm trying to fix that myself right now. So she drove it to work. She was running late after, we had to go to the airport. So she was in a big hurry. She goes out to the Tacoma. She throws in reverse, swings it out, goes right into a wooden pole that she forgot was parked right next to the Tacoma. As you can see, she swung the hell out of that pole. So because of that, this happened. It is unfortunate. Let me go ahead and show you guys what ended up happening. Because as you can see, bumper's gone. Um, that's done for. This is definitely done for. This right fender, definitely has some denting on the inside there. So this is going to be done for. And I just noticed too that the hood is looking a little not good, guys. See how it's lined up right here? See how the gap right here on the good side, and let's go to the not good side, and right in there. So yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't look like this is going to be an easy fix, guys. I mean, on the plus side, the paint's still good because, the PPF, did its job. I mean, check this out. Like you peel up the PPF and the paint under is square. So it does show that PPF works, protects the paint even when everything else isn't going right for it. But yeah, now I just have to go ahead and get that fixed out. Current plan of action is that I'm going to do a few fixes on the Subaru. So I got the check engine light. That may just be the front, though. 2 cents around. Do a couple other smaller things first to see if that's it. So that way I can go ahead and get that up and running so that my wife can use that to get to work. I work from home. So then that way, when the Subaru is all squared out, I can finally drop this thing off. I will, though, be removing, this part right here in the meantime, just to make it seaworthy. Just going to remove this whole black trim so that's not, poking out like this, especially when you're trying to stay in your lane. So we'll be removing that actually probably right after this video. And yeah, it sucks. I actually had one or two products that were supposed to be sent out to me. And, the whole thing was that they wanted me to have a video on the next, 2 weeks. And I had to tell them, like, we have to hold off on that for now until I get everything all fixed out. So that kind of sucks, but that's life, guys. Life is all about how you deal with things when things go wrong. I'm not gonna lie. Of course, this f***ing sucks. That's just how it works. But at the end of the day, it's a truck. It's a piece of metal. No one was hurt. Life was just fine. Everything was fine. So it's the best outcome out of a crappy situation. So that's just how it is. On the plus side, did have a fun time in Puerto Rico. So now to see what I do. Actually, this might also spur me to finally start looking for a third car. This kind of sort of just like a beater kind of thing. Just so I have something to drive when, everything else is in use or broken. Because now I currently have 2 cars that are not working. At least the Tacoma, the motor's fine. Subaru, exterior is fine. So it's a trade-off, right? So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update in case you guys are wondering, like, why I don't have any new product videos coming out in the, near future. It's just because I'm sorting out this whole mess right now. Yeah, when she first called me, I thought it was a rear bumper, and I was just like, oh, whatever, that's easy to fix. But I saw it, but that's all right. That's just life, right? Again, life is just how you deal with these kind of challenges. Overall, it's still just a car that can be fixed. So this is still a newer car in 2022, only about 18,000 miles. So it is a bummer that it's already had an accident like this. But what can you do? I mean, I do aim to keep the car for a long time. If I don't have it, I aim for this, vehicle to stay in the family. So it's not the worst thing in terms of resale and all that. So that's just how it goes. But yeah, I just want to put that video out just so you guys know why there's no new Tacoma video for a little bit, because I'm currently getting that fixed out and also getting a Subaru fixed. Everything is broken right now. So with that, guys, let me know what you guys think. Leave comments down below. Again, though, I'm not mad at my wife. I mean, shit happens. That's just what happens. I think we've all done something dumb before in our cars and all that we've had to fix a bad mistake. I think I have. Yeah, I did. My '87 Super, I did once drive over a curb and I popped 2 tires at once. So I think that was the worst thing I've done with it. But that's just how it goes. So yeah, just want to tell you guys to give that update. And with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.